When should you worry about fatigue? If your fatigue gets worse or lasts longer, it's time to be worried. Your fatigue might be related to an underlying illness or infection, especially if it's accompanied by symptoms such as a low-grade fever, shortness of breath, or loss of appetite. You should visit your doctor if you often wake up exhausted despite sleeping well, do not feel motivated to begin the day, or struggle to do activities that are ordinarily easy. These could be symptoms of a sleep disorder or depression. These symptoms might be because of medication side effects. In this case, blood tests determine if the fatigue is related to anemia, an underactive thyroid, or liver inflammation. However, in most cases, people bounce back from fatigue after some rest and a good night's sleep. This channel is made to help you know your body better. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss any videos in the future about your body.